An old grinding wheel that's plugged up with metal shards is not true, and your workpiece keeps skipping. It's just really frustrating to use a wheel like this, not to mention it makes it more dangerous. In this close-up view, you can see the metal pieces that are stuck to the wheel, and also the roughness of the surface. This may be an older method to true up a grinding stone, but I've been using these dresser cutters, and they come with a handle attachment that you mount them on. Well, this dressing tool handle broke, and to be honest, I'm kind of happy it did. It was never easy to use. It was always a pain to get the dresser cutter wheels mounted in it, and it's not very wide, the opening, so you'd always have to move the tool back and forth on your grinding stone. In a pinch, I grabbed a bolt of the right diameter and tightened two nuts together, allowing a little room for the wheels to rotate freely. In this way, I used enough cutters to cover the complete width of the grinding stone, something that wasn't possible with this handle. I want to thank Aero Nystrom for becoming my latest Patreon supporter, and also thank him for his purchases as well. Appreciate your support. And I also want to let you guys know that I'm going to do my next live stream in a day or two, and I'll do it about 7 a.m. my time, which would be 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in the US. This is stupidly simple, but this works so much better than the handle that's specifically made for these cutters, so I figured I'd share this. It just works so much better, is much smoother, safer, and a pleasure to use, as if the wheel is new. If you get a longer bolt, then you can bend it back and make a handle in line with the cutters. But in that case, you would have to cut the bolt head off and replace it with 2 nuts on the other side, so you would have 4 nuts total. Another tip, not so much for truing the wheel, but for removing the little metal shards that will make a piece skip, is to just grab an old wire brush and run it across the wheel like this. There's still a few little metal shavings there. Another 30 seconds would take care of them.